There are multiple ways to record the sound of a guitar within GarageBand. You could of course take a microphone and record an acoustic guitar with that. You could also record an electric guitar, bass guitar, or acoustic guitar with an output through a cable into your computer. You can use an audio interface such as a mixer to connect USB into the computer, or you may have a computer with audio jacks built into it or the sound card. High-end sound cards have inputs for both quarter-inch and stereo mini plugs so that you can record directly into your computer via the cables provided. Once you have plugged in your guitar, you will need to select the input. So you will go to the top, select GarageBand, and Preferences. If this screen is not open already, go ahead and click Audio MIDI. Here you can see output and input devices for GarageBand. An input device, you would select the input that you're using for the guitar. At the time of this recording, I am just using a microphone to record this for you, so I have it set to system settings. You can also see some other options here, such as using audio units, and down at the bottom if we were using a MIDI device. So we'll close that. And when recording a guitar, you can change the input per track. So if we click on this track, and then go to Smart Controls at the top, and then click on the Inspector button at the bottom, you can see the input for this track. Now at the time of this recording, I'm using an aggregate device to mix down both my microphone and GarageBand's audio input so that I can record this screencast for you. But you would select whatever you're using for your guitar. You can also set the recording levels here and turn on monitoring so that you can hear yourself playing the guitar back in your speakers or headphones. It is suggested that you use headphones when monitoring so that you can reduce the amount of feedback. There is a feedback protection option that you can use here, but I suggest using the headphones to mitigate the feedback. Now with guitars, you also have the options of using effects and pedal boards. If we click on the Stomp Box button over at the bottom right, you will see the pedal board appear. This gives you a bunch of different types of pedals that you can use with your guitar when recording or even after you're done recording to change the sound. We'll get more into the pedal board later on within this course series, but I wanted to go ahead and show you it now so when you begin recording you can mess around with these. Let's go ahead and close the pedal board. At the time of this recording, I'm just trying to show you the basics and currently do not have any audio devices hooked up to the computer. But as you can see, the audio levels are bouncing within the guitar track because it's using my microphone for that track. So you could grab an acoustic guitar and just use your microphone to record a track. But I wanted to go ahead and show you the basics of hooking up a guitar in case you have that set up. You can go ahead and begin playing.